I'm Amber. Pink. JB. Oh yeah. The other guy. He's hot. That guy's hot too. That guy's hot too. Oh my gosh. So was that guy. He's so hot. Yeah, he's... Wow. I would totally go out with him. And him too. And him too. I love him so much. I know I don't know him like at all, but I love him. Yeah. Pink. I don't know what to say, so I'm just gonna stand here and mess with my hair. And go, oh! Yeah. That guy's hot. Love ya. Bye.